Good day. Today is Thursday. Monday and Thursday is our chest, shoulder, and triceps workout. This bag is weighted 10 kilograms. For this workout, first is the decline push-ups, 8 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Next is the wide push-ups, 8 to 12 reps for 3 sets. I am not a professional fitness instructor. I'm just sharing my ideas on how to work out at home without gym equipments. Third exercise is diamond push-up, 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets. The fourth exercise is the normal push-ups, 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets. The last exercise is the incline push-ups, 8 to 12 reps for 3 sets. This all workout is for my chest, shoulder, and triceps. This is the pump and no pump difference, but I think there's no difference. That's all. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.